Hi again. Hello. Today we're going to bake Pancake. Pancake is a Malaysian pancake that's sold in the streets, in the night market and stalls, and we usually have it for tea. This pancake is a very well-known pancake. Chinese have the version, the Malays have the version as well. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share my food journey with you in the UK. So don't forget to hit like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And today we're going to do Pancake, which is street food pancake. For the starter dough, you would need 1 teaspoon of fast-acting yeast, which comes in a packet, and then you get a teaspoon. 90 grams of plain flour, 150 ml of warm water, and a teaspoon of sugar. So I've added some water and I'm adding some more. Okay. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to leave it overnight. Good morning. This is the starter dough we made last night. There are bubbles now. Oh, some of the yeast is not properly dissolved. See, there are bubbles. So it's good. To make the dough together, we will need 225 grams of plain flour, 55 grams of tapioca flour, 40 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. You also need 250 ml of water, 1 egg, and some lye water, which is an alkaline. And then we're going to mix it all together. We make a hole in the center, we add in the egg, and we slowly incorporate it. Add more water. Add the lye water, 1 teaspoon, and you mix well. Then you add in the starter dough. And you mix it up. Mix it up until it's thoroughly mixed. Then you cover it with a tea towel and you leave it aside for about 1 to 2 hours until it's really well fermented. Okay, now we've left it about 1 hour or so. So I think it's about 1.5 to 2 hours. So you can see it's bubbly now, so it's ready for baking. Baking, you call it baking or frying? Yeah, it's ready for cooking. Some of the garnishing ingredients we need are peanuts, which is dry roasted and pounded. We need some sesame seed, which I've got it already, and some cream corn, which I made it myself, and some sugar. Now we'll heat up the pan. We grease it with some oil. Although this is a non-stick pan, we give the batter a gentle stir. See, they're very puffy now, full of air, so it will be very light. Okay. Gently, don't break the bubbles. Scoop a ladle, and then we go through it. I like the thick one, so I might put 1.5 ladle. And then you go to the side. Make sure the side is coated as well, because that's where you get the crispy bits. Ooh, so much coating. So this one is the thick one, it's not the crispy one, yeah? And then you put some sugar, a handful of sugar. You can cover it so that you'll cook faster. After about 1 to 2 minutes, you see that the side is already brown. You can add the peanuts. as much or as little as you want, 1 or 2 tablespoons. Sesame. I want to add some cream corn. Yeah, scatter it all over. This is a lot of cream corn. When we buy, it's not so much. You might also want to add some melted butter just for the flavor. Sometimes people put plantain or margarine, you know, but I have butter. So it looks like it's ready. So let's check. Ooh, it's not sticking. Ooh, it's brown now. Oh, it's very crispy, the sides, and this is how I like it. Okay, so it's done. So we fold it over. Then you put it on a plate. Oh, it's really nice. But I think the bottom is not very even because I didn't do it properly. I think I'll try another time. Oh, it's so nice. It's my favorite. If I go to Pasar Malam, I'll buy this. Try. I think it needs a bit more sugar. I'll add more sugar. Good. Use the tissue paper. We need more sugar, just now when we tasted. This time I'm adding some desiccated coconut. Okay, let's see. Okay. Ooh, nice. So this time I'm going to put it on the rack. Okay. No, this is not the crispy type, as I've explained. I've tried it before, but now I'm making it very thin. But I like it to be thick, to be honest. So it's up to you. You can make it thin, you can make it thick. But I will come up with a recipe the next round that I will do the crispy ones. So now I'm going to try the thin one. I wouldn't say crispy, but thin. It's a bit crispy on the edges. And it's thin, so they get more of the filling. This one with the coconut. Tastes so much nicer. This one has more filling. Nice. I need to stop at this, if not I'll put on weight. Very good. So there you go. That's my video on how to make Pancake Kuih, which is a street vendor pancake. And in Malaysia, we don't normally make that because it's so easily available. But in this country, we have to make it because if we crave for it, we have to make it ourselves. So I hope you enjoy watching me doing that. And it's not a difficult thing to do. You just have to have time to make the starter dough the night before, and after that it's just plain easy, just mixing and then just cooking, that's all. So until the next time, please don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. So until the next time, see you then. Bye. Thank you.